Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to score a knuckball free kick in FIFA Mobile. Okay, so first of all, you will just have to find a good angle to do it. Okay, you can just click on this two arrow that is facing the opposite sides. Okay, so you correct your angle, so for example like that, and then just do a opposite V shape on your screen. Okay, so like that, and then just draw the opposite V shape again, and you're good to go. Okay, so make sure to follow all of that step, okay, and keep on practicing in order to perform that very well. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.